den ganzen Weg auf Köln gekommen, extra für euch, um den Bruno Mars zu treffen. Er lässt die Schweiz wieder mal aus, wie so manches Superstars, aber das heisst so lange nicht, dass er an Choice vorbeikommt. Das gehen wir dann abholen. Beziehungsweise irgendwo im Hyatt Hotel suchen.
I said I'm throwing on all my majestic.
That's why I thought I was gonna put all my.
No, sorry, baby, you just got trumped.
Well, hey, Leute, wir sind da, wie gesagt, vorhin auf Köln gekommen, für euch extra, um den Bruno Mars zu interviewen.
Yep.
Willkommen.
Wow.
Yeah, it sounds ugly. I
No,
told you.
it doesn't sound ugly.
Kind of. I was just telling them we came all the way from Zurich here because you just left out Switzerland.
I know. Listen, I'm coming to Switzerland though, and I'm doing a show.
When's that? In
When is that
autumn
show?
as well?
October.
Oktober, okay. Die grosse Tour, also die Schweiz wird auch dabei sein, also keine Angst. Da schon mal ein paar Fragen beantwortet. Aber jetzt ist ja schon crazy, irgendwie, seit das alles angefangen hat. Es ist, language, I told you. Dieses Album ist 39 Mal Platin gegangen, weltweit. Crazy. Wie ist es zum zweiten Album produzieren,
Yes.
ohne dass völlig durchdrehst?
Yes.
How is it doing? See, you're like, yes. I was thinking that you were gonna answer actually, and because you understood something.
I did understand a little bit of it.
39 times platin. Is that what you understood?
Yes.
Yes, you did. How is it? How was you not? Were you not going out of your mind recording the second album? 'Cause there must be pressure somewhere.
I mean, I guess the only pressure is the pressure with myself. You know, I feel like I have to be excited to record a song. So if I'm not excited with the song that I'm doing, I just throw it away. And there's a feeling that, you know, we've gotten when we've written songs with CeeLo, like F You or Grenade or Just the Way You Are, Nothing on You. Like there's a certain feeling that you have after you finish the song. So I'm always constantly chasing that feeling. And I guess it's my job to never forget what that feels like.
Also er gesagt, eigentlich nicht wirklich einen grossen Druck, denn er hat ja gerade auch noch erwähnt, CeeLo Green, Fuck You. Kennen wir alle. Flowrider hat einen Song gemacht, Right Round. Hey. Kanon.
Kanon, Waving Flag.
Oder? Also von dem her, er kennt das Feeling und darum wird er das Feeling nie vergessen. So no pressure at all. The feelings came like that, bam, bam, bam.
Baby, I'm feeling it right now. I know you are.
I am very much. I'm kind of nervous, actually.
Don't be nervous.
Well,
You're
I never
not.
know, you know, this is like my first and only shot. I don't know what next time I'm going to see you.
Don't blow it. That's all I'm telling you right now.
Try my best. Try my best.